In the midst of a residential area undergoing redevelopment in Urayasu City, Japan, stands a small yet architecturally rich home, IEIE House. Designed by MASA Architects with lead architect Masayoshi Nakanishi, the house is built on a 93 square meter plot and was created for a married couple who needed to combine living space, a workspace, and a piano school under one roof. IEIE House is not just a dwelling, it's a manifestation of an adaptive living space concept tailored to modern lifestyles. The name IEIE in Japanese means a row of houses. This meaning serves as the core design philosophy. Instead of designing a single unified house, the architect arranged it as if it were composed of several small houses joined together into one larger structure. The goal is to create a spatial experience akin to living in a small town, where every corner offers a different atmosphere, light quality, and form. Unlike conventional houses that open up to their surroundings through windows or front gardens, IEIE House turns inward, appearing closed off from its environment. But this doesn't mean it's disconnected from context. On the contrary, this inward approach allows the architect to create a miniature city within the house itself. Inside, one can feel the presence of a town through elements such as natural lighting, mass composition, and the dynamic play of shadows and reflections. One of the most distinctive visual aspects of this house is the use of horizontal metallic steel sheets as exterior cladding. This material not only serves as protection but also as an aesthetic element that reflects light from the sky. These reflections change depending on the time of day and weather conditions, creating shifting shadows and making the house appear different at every moment. This effect adds visual depth to the house, offering a dynamic spatial experience both from the outside and within. The interior spatial composition of IEIE House is also unconventional. Several small house-like forms exist within the larger house, with rooflines and walls intentionally left ambiguous. This approach avoids clearly defined spatial boundaries and functions. The architect aims to evoke a sense of visual ambiguity, a feeling similar to being in a town we don't fully understand in detail but can sense as a whole. This enriches the user's experience as they explore the home. The building structure also reflects a flexible approach. The house uses a system where the small house forms inside support the larger exterior structure. The main structural elements are placed along the perimeter and sides of the inner house forms. This method allows for consistent sectional views from multiple directions, enabling the interior spaces to be easily adapted over time, whether for family living, working, piano lessons, or other purposes. This structural strategy is especially relevant for today's ever-evolving living needs. By not locking rooms into fixed functions, the home can evolve with the lives of its occupants. Whether it's used as a home office, a music teaching space, or simply a calm retreat, all these possibilities can be realized without altering the building's core structure. Beyond the visual and structural aspects, IEIE House is also an exploration of how a private space can stay imaginatively connected to the urban context. It's a house that avoids direct openness to its surroundings, yet successfully recreates the sensation of living in a small town within its own boundaries. This feeling emerges through the way spaces are arranged, how light flows through them, and how architectural elements interact to create a cohesive visual narrative. IEIE House is a prime example of how a small home can be big in ideas and vision. It reminds us that home design is not only about function and aesthetics, but also about creating experience, how we feel inside it, how we interact with the space, and how we stay connected to the world outside, even within a closed environment. For anyone seeking a home design that is unique, flexible, and spatially poetic, IEIE House is a standout reference. Thank you for joining us in this design breakdown of IEIE House with Block 7. We hope this home inspires new ideas for those of you designing a compact home rich in spatial experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on other exciting home design inspirations. See you in the next video.